Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to explore how to scent a bedroom with pure essential oils. You are going to love my simple and easy ways to add aroma to the rooms where we spend 1/3 of our life. I'm Cynthia Insa, an essential oil enthusiast and educator, and I love to help people understand how to use pure essential oils. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. I have been teaching about essential oils for nearly 15 years, and this video is part of a series where I show you how easy it is to use pure essential oils to scent your home. Let's take a look at how we can make our bedrooms smell wonderful. After all, we spend a lot of time there. Using an ultrasonic diffuser seems like the most obvious choice for a bedroom, doesn't it? These days, it's easy to find diffusers that run for 8 to 10 hours. Some of them even have built-in sound, so you can use them like a white noise machine as they diffuse. Every ultrasonic diffuser has a fan that blows the scented cold mist into the air. If you like to run a diffuser through the night, you will definitely want a high quality one so that the fan doesn't make too much noise. But even if your diffuser is a very quiet one and you don't hear the fan at all, there will still be a quiet sound of water bubbling. Some people love this quiet, steady bubbling sound, but others find it to be disturbing to their sleep. If you find the sound disruptive, you can simply make it a habit to start the diffuser early in the evening and turn it off when you climb into bed. Alternatively, consider using a passive diffuser on your bedside table. I have a small passive diffuser in my bedroom to use through the night. When I climb into bed, I will add a few drops of my favorite bedtime essential oils. Some nights I use Serenity, some nights I use Adaptive, and some nights I use a different blend called Shinrin-yoku, which is a mixture of tree oils that I find very relaxing. The next point we need to talk about is how many drops of essential oils to use in your bedroom diffuser. Here, the size of the room is important. Remember that when you are using pure essential oils, you only need a little bit at a time. If your bedroom is a small room, you should only need 2 or 3 drops of oil in your diffuser. If your bedroom is larger, add 1 extra drop. When it comes to passive diffusers, you know the drill if you've watched my other videos. You can use pretty much any dedicated surface to put your essential oils onto, whether that's a cotton ball, a pine cone, some felted wool, a clay disc, a lava stone, or something else. You just need a surface that is somewhat absorbent. It doesn't have to be expensive, and in fact, it doesn't have to cost you anything at all. Now, let's look beyond diffusing into the air to some other ways you can introduce aroma to your bedroom spaces. Spray bottles are a fantastic accessory because they are simple to make and very cost-effective. Fill the bottle with water and then add 2 drops of essential oil for every ounce of water. In bedrooms, you can use a spray bottle like this to scent the air if you don't have an ultrasonic diffuser. You can also use a spray bottle like this as a linen spray. What I like to do is spray the linens and pillows in the morning as I make the bed. You will love how inviting your bed smells when you pull back the covers in the evening to climb in. Now, you can use any essential oils you love to create sprays for bedrooms, but I do recommend calming essential oils. When I think calming, I can think of a very long list of oils that would work. In principle, though, think flower oils like lavender, Roman chamomile, and ylang ylang. Tree oils like frankincense, black spruce, or cedarwood, and blends like Serenity, Adaptive, and Shinrin-yoku. You can also make your own blends. My mom loved to combine lavender and easy air for nighttime use. Now let's talk about something else that most bedrooms have, and that is closets. Have you ever been inside a closet that is lined with cedarwood? The aroma is fantastic, and of course, well known to protect clothing from damage from insects. We can't all afford cedar-lined closets, although I would love one someday. But in the meantime, we can place passive diffusers in the closet to distribute aroma in that area. My favorite oil to use in closets is called Arbor Vitae. It is made from the giant western red cedar tree, and I think it is perfect for closets. But if you just can't get enough lavender, that is an excellent oil for closets as well. A blend that I love for closets is Purify. This blend smells exactly like laundry fresh off the clothesline, which of course is another perfect aroma for bedroom closets. I found that it was way too easy to knock a diffuser off the shelf as I'm rummaging for things in the closet. So I use a passive diffuser with a loop that I add to a hanger and place amongst the clothing that way. One last bedroom space that I want to draw attention to is dresser drawers. Whether you are storing socks and underwear, scarves, t-shirts, or sweaters, your spare clothes should be bathed in beautiful aroma so that it's an absolute treat to open the drawer and choose your garments. Passive diffusers are really the best option here. Whether you use a piece of felt or clay, an old sock stuffed with cotton, or something else, tuck it into the drawer and remember to refresh it every few weeks or whenever you notice that it's not as fragrant as you would like. One last tip, I highly recommend keeping a collection of the oils you use in your bedroom on your nightstand or dresser, so they are right there when you need them. Besides the oils that I use in my diffuser, I keep oils that I use in my closet and drawers as well. I also like to have oils that I use in the morning. Wild orange, for example, or On Guard if I happen to wake up not feeling well. Peppermint is another oil that is a great one to start the day with. And there you have it, a collection of simple ways to keep your bedroom smelling fresh and inviting. Which tip do you like best? Let me know in the comments. If you are looking for practical and helpful tips for using essential oils around your home, hit the subscribe button and get notified whenever I add a new video. I'm going through every room in the house so you will know exactly what diffuser or method is best and what essential oils to use as well. Look in the caption for a link to my ebook about diffusing. That booklet contains all the information you need to understand different ways to diffuse, along with more than a dozen recipes of my favorite diffuser blends. As a bonus, there's a second link you can use to subscribe to my weekly email of essential oil tips, recipes, and more. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon.